Good morning, children. Today we are learning how to read and write 7, 8, 9 digit number, that is large numbers, using Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration, we have the periods, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In ones period we have places ones, tens, hundreds, and in thousands period thousands and 10,000s, and in lakhs period lakhs and 10 lakhs, crores period crores and 10 crores. And in this system we place commas after crores place, after crores period, after lakhs period, after thousands period. It is to separate ones and thousands, thousands and lakhs, lakhs and crores. Now I will take one number and we write the number name using this Indian system of numeration. Okay, I took one number. Let's write the places above these digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. After writing the places, separate now. Ones period, thousands period, thousands and lakhs. Now the number is 33 lakhs 45,375. 33 lakhs 45,375. 33 lakhs 45,375. Okay, this is clear. 33 under lakhs, 45 under 1,000, 360, 375. Now we will see another example. Okay, the number is given. Now places writing ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Now keeping commas, ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period, keep one comma, then separate thousands and 10,000, thousands period, lakhs and 10 lakhs, lakhs period, and then next crores. Now the number name is, how many crores we have? 4 crores. And how many lakhs? 58 lakhs. 67,460. 4 crore. 4 crore. 58 lakh. 58 lakh. 67,000. 400. 416. 416. Is it clear now how to write the number names? 4 under crores, 58 are under lakh, 67 are under thousand, and the number 3-digit number you know already how to read, 416. This is how the number is given. This is how we write the number name. Now we will see the number name is given, how to write the numeral. For example, I am taking 5 crore, 16 lakh, 38,000, 416. 645. Okay, number name is given. To write the numeral, first we write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Under crores we have only single digit, therefore I am taking up to crores. Only 10 crores place here. Now how many crores are there? 5. Under crores write 5 crores. And how many lakhs? 16 lakhs. And how many are thousands? 38. And 600. How many are hundreds? 600. 45. Okay, the number is 5 crore 16 lakh 38,645. Let us take one more example. Sixty-seven crore 7 lakh 800 46. Okay, this is the number name given. To write the numeral, what we should do first? We have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Why I took two places here under crores? Because 67 crores given. 67 is two digit number. That is why we have to take up to 10 crores. 67 crores. 67 crore. Lakhs. 7 lakh. Only single digit number. 7 lakh. 07. We should write it as 07. But don't take 70. 70 if we write it is 70 lakh. We doesn't have here 70 lakh. That's why we should write 07. 07. That is 7 lakh. 800. How many are there? 100? 8. But thousands are given here? Not there. Thousands are not there. Both places zeros I am writing. Now 100 to place 8. 846. 46. Okay. This is how we write the numeral. 67 crore 7 lakh 846. Is it clear now Indian system of numeration? Okay. Now let's go to another topic now. That is comparing number. How we should compare two numbers we will see. Comparing numbers. How can we say which number is bigger, which number is smaller? We'll see now. For example, any two numbers given. 3, 7, 4, 1, 8, 9, 3, 7. Two numbers are given. The numbers which is having more number of digits here, this number is having 4 digits. Okay, left side number is having 4 digits. Right side number is having only 3 digits. The number which is having more digits is greater. That is why here 3741 is greater than 897. Greater than number side, this is greater number. This greatest number side should have 2 dots, like that you remember. And smaller number side should have only 1 dot. This is how we write the greater than symbol. Now next, again two numbers we have, but if you observe both the numbers having same number of digits. If both the numbers are having same number of digits, that is here left side number is having 4 digits, right side number is also having 4 digits. Then that number is larger, which has greater leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 3. Here is same in both the cases. Then we have to see the next digit on the left, that is 7 and 8. Which is greater? 8 is greater than 7. That is why 3847 is greater than 3741. Greater than, this is greater, it should have 2 dots like this. And this is small. It's clear how to compare the numbers. First we have to see the number of digits. If the number of digits are same, then we have to compare from the highest place. If that highest place is also same, then we go on to the next place and so on. Now we'll see how to write the ascending and descending order. First, ascending order. Ascending order, you know already. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big. Now I am taking one example. I took one example here. 4 numbers given. We have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. I told already to first identify the small number. We have to first see the number of digits. Here this number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Both are having 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Therefore, which one is smaller? 38,319 is smaller. After that, both the numbers are having 6 digits. Therefore, we have to see the highest place, 4 and 8. Which one is smaller? Yes, 4. That is 4,36,716 after 8,45,307, and finally 5,38,47,506. Okay, now what is the answer? Ascending order answer. First we should write 38,319, and then next 4,36,716. After that 8,45,317, and finally we write 5,38,47,506. This is how we write the numbers. We arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now we'll see descending order. What is descending order? You know what descending order means what? Yes, arranging the numbers from big to small. Descending order. For example, these are the 4 numbers they gave. First, to write easily in descending order, we have to count the number of digits. Here this number is having 5 digits. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. And this number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. And this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. And last number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Now descending order, which number is bigger? First 9-digit number we write, after that 8-digit number, then 7-digit number, then finally we write a 5-digit number. That is, the answer is 33 crore 84 lakh 75,126. After that 5 crore 36 lakh 45,317. Then 23 lakh 84,176. Then 43,317. This is how we arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay. Now in the next video we will see how to write the expanded form and short form.